Hello everyone, I am Andy and today I'll be reading one of these illustrated classics. Today's story is The Wizard of Oz. Dorothy lived on a lonely farm in Kansas with only her Uncle Henry, her Aunt Em and her little dog Toto for company. One day, as they played outside, the sky grew dark. Then the wind whipped up with a chilling moan. "There's a cyclone coming," called her Uncle Henry. "Quick, into the cellar!" In a panic, Toto ran to hide under her bed. Dorothy dashed after him as the wind shrieked and the whole house shook. With a mighty wrench, the cyclone whirled the house into the sky. Dorothy shivered with terror. "What will happen to us, Toto?" she whispered. The house sailed through the sky for hours. Suddenly, with a sickening jolt, they landed. "Welcome to Oz," cried a man in a pointed hat. "And thank you. You've just killed the wicked witch of the East and set us free." "Who? What?" asked Dorothy, horrified. "I haven't killed anyone." "Well, your house did," a woman told her. "Look, two scrawny legs stuck out from under a wall." As Dorothy looked, the legs vanished, leaving only a pair of silvery shoes behind. The woman handed them to Dorothy. "These are yours now," she said. Dorothy took the shoes in a daze. "Do you know the way to Kansas?" she asked. "I have to go home." The strangers shook their heads. "Maybe the great wizard can help," suggested the woman. "He lives in the Emerald City, at the end of the yellow brick road." Do you think Dorothy managed to get to the wizard? Do you think she can go home? Let's continue reading and we'll find out.